Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Meeman and today, guess what am I going to talk about? Actually, I'm not going to talk. I'm directly going to show you. It is Shrinkets. It is one of my toys which my dad brought it from USA. I hope I introduced to this big set and I hope I've introduced to my new guests. This is Sarangi. I hope you know her. She's my friend. And she's my sister Zoya. They are also going to join us with Shrinkets. Now, I'm going to tell you the procedure. How will we make it? Then afterwards, we will show you in front of your own eyes. Look, over here it is written color, bake, make. Now, what is the meaning of color? You know. Like over here you just need to color, right? Now what is bake? Right, you must be thinking that since long. So bake means first you need to preheat the oven and then afterwards you take a plate, put all of these like this on a plate and then afterwards heat it and it will become small like this and it will become, like wobbly, wibbly, wobbly. But it is okay. It will still look so cute. And can you guess what is the size? This much? No, it was first this much. But then when we heated it, it became mini. It became a Minnie Mouse. Now, afterwards we'll make it like putting this threads. Suppose if I want to put this over here, you can put it through this hole and then you can fix it like that. Now I'm going to tell you what's inside. Okay, 20 pre-cut shrinking plastic charms, 5 color ball chains as I showed you here, and 3 colored cords. There are this many things. And can you see this picture telling you how will it look? So first it will be this big. In the picture it is showing this big, but in real it will be this big. Then afterwards it will become Minnie Mouse. Now I will not wait for long because I am also excited and my friends are also excited. So much. She has been seeing this for the first time. So she's so excited to see and she will see this. We both are never made it. So actually we just want to try how to make it as like yes. Now these are our cutouts. So can you see how cute are these? These things are coming in the side. I need to look, there's so many. So as you can see, you can take these, even these. Look. So there will be cute cutouts sticked on this. Then you just need to remove it. Now I'm gonna ask her what does she want. And you can also choose some from here or here. Now what do you want? I want this cutie pie. It looks so cute. And what do you want? I like this one. Okay. And I love cats. Which goes to space. Now I will have this one. I'm okay with this one. So first I'll give them theirs as they're so excited. Just a minute. Yeah. No, I'm choosing my own. Okay, give me that. नहीं सारंगी आपको नहीं आएगा. स्पेस कैट ना. हाँ 2 मिनट ही रुको. ये अगर आपको टूट गया तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. स्पेस कैट. Now, in a few few minutes I will remove this, and then afterwards we will color it with these colors, or you can also use these. I bet this will be good because those are thin pencil crayons, and if you use this, look at there, it is so broad. So if you want to do something very thin like these lines, this is best for you. And this could also help you in doing nice drawings and make the color more better. And you can also take this to school because we can also and even put that on our chains. ये रखा से देखो, मैं भी इधर से नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो मेरा इतना ये Now I'm not gonna wait for anybody and we'll start coloring. So as I told you, I'm gonna show these cuts. So can you see how big are they? How will they be? Look at all of them. So this is mine. This is her cute squirrel. My, sister. And this is a space cat. And I love more cats. Okay, now in no time, let's get coloring. Why does everyone want to speak? आप ये लाइट ब्लू लो, सारा बीच में आंटी मुझे देखने नहीं दे। देखो साइड ये लाइट ब्लू है ना, अरे आई इधर। ओके, आप मुझे डार्क ग्रीन दोगे सर? डार्क एंड लाइट ग्रीन दोनों। अरे ये हो ना, I just want to see that you're not doing the right thing. ये लाइट ब्लू को क्या है? लाइट ब्लू हमने कलर वास्ते, ओके। मुझे ऑरेंज लगेगा, ऑरेंज इधर है। ये डार्क ब्लू लो और ये जो लाइन है ना, इसको लाइट देखो ये, ओके। थोड़ा सा ही डार्क है ना, तो फिर मैं व्हाइट से नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता। ये लो सर, इसको रख दो ना प्लीज। अभी पर्पल है क्या? इधर पर्पल है। So now as you can see, we are coloring it very nicely because afterwards it will become hard and you won't get time for coloring. It will be difficult to it is so curvy, that's why we can't do it. Okay? Yeah. Now let's get coloring! Stop it! Now as you can see, we are coloring it very nicely because afterwards it will become so hard that you won't even color. I mean, you can color, but it will get difficult. Like, sometimes over here it is a curvy part, so you can't, do it. So like that. Now let's get coloring. ये क्या है? तो खुद से करो ना, खुद से जाओ ना। ओए सॉरी। लाइट ग्रीन Now, as you can see, I am done with the coloring. Now look, they didn't even do because they need to do it so perfect. That's why. And I told you, you need to do perfect because afterwards it will get so hard and it will be difficult for you to color. So, good luck. Bye. So done. Why so much stress for that single thing? This is a video, so it will go around the world. It's a video, so it will go around the world. Nonsense. Oh yeah? Simple sense. So this is mine. Isn't it cute? This is my friend's, Sarangi. Cute, isn't it? This is my sister's drawing and coloring. So, as we know that we were all very excited that what will come next, and we already were excited. So, what should we do now? At least we also have one thing to do. Bake. We are also excited how does it bake. So now she is double excited because she didn't do it in her whole life. And as she colored it, she also colored it so nicely because she is excited. Look at this.
Now we will go for baking it.
So now we are gonna bake it, and so now I will go in the kitchen. We will take a plate and put all of this on the plate, and then afterwards, when we'll take it out, it will be small as a mouse. It will just take 2 to 3 minutes. So now we will see you in the kitchen. Let's go. Train in the kitchen. 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 Oven time. Now we are gonna put all of them like this so that after when they will remove it, it will all be so tiny. So
Very tiny.
So we will see you afterwards. Tata. We'll see you in 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm just checking how it is. Is it shrinking or is it getting bigger? It's shrinking. It is shrinking. And good news, guys. It is also getting curved. It is also getting from the end, it is getting curved slowly. Oh, it became completed. Now, as you can see, that my mother is picking the tray with the pincers. So guess how hot it will be. Oh, look at those, so cutie chotu. Can you see how small they are? And first, can you see how big they were? Now, as you can see, they are so small and tiny, and they are very tough as well. But if you put so much pressure, so it will break. Now you can use it as a keychains. Suppose you can put this in this,
And
or
this.
these are the threads. And if you want to cut one of them, just cut and put it on these.
ये cold हो गया.
These just look like googly worms. I don't want to eat them.
Nice.
Now let us put and I will show you. Look, they are already
exciting.
नहीं इधर रखोगे तो चिपकू जाएगा. So can you see? These are all the keychains we made. Ui. Wow, takafo. So
Wow.
This is my sister's. This is my friend's, and this is mine. Bye.
And it is so exciting. If you like this video, so subscribe to my sister's channel and